Hi, some medicine today to honor the courage found in people, honor our ancestors and future generations. Hands to heart, sit or stand tall, root down, and take a few conscious breaths. One heart, one breath, one mind, one body, one planet. And take a moment to honor the ancestors of the land that you're standing on. The First Nations. All Indigenous people all over this planet. For their resiliency and courage, fearlessness, teachings and practices, for their dedication to each other in the land. And honoring the people that were brought here against their will to build this country, the infrastructure here, the people that were and are and have been imprisoned unjustly, leased and used to build this nation. To those that have been sacrificed in the cause for justice, fairness, access, equity, bowing to the many, the named and the nameless. Relaxing your arms, rooting down, turning at the hips and waist, knocking on the door of life, the door of life. We all have this infinite spark of life. It's held in our kidneys. That's what that door of life acupuncture point is called. It holds our original primordial chi. We all came in on a spark of light. We all came in, each of us, every one of us, every being, as pure light, free, wild, spirit. It's called original chi. It's immaculate and infinite. Wake that up. Honor the light in yourself and all beings that came before us, that are with us now, and will come after us. Then waking up your lungs, tapping on your lungs. Honoring the loss of those that have left this earth plane, whether by choice or taken out. May no one die in vain. I don't think anyone does. It's an opportunity for the rest of us to wake up and make it right. So, waking up lung energy, immunity, our capacity to feel inspired and courageous and confident in this life. And then back down to the the belly, the back. Again. Slow it down, shift, keep your weight balanced, arms are loose, and then shift into slow water waves. Shifting your weight now, creating an infinity symbol with your arms, clearing out stress, worry, guilt, shame, resentment, anger, fear, panic. So we can really step into the light of who we are. Let this practice be an honoring of all those souls that have come here to be truth tellers, to be light, to stand up for what is right and just and fair. May we be the change we wish to see in the world. Close the eyes, feel the energy around you and within you. Breathe in a warm, healing, yellow light, filling you up, connecting you to the center of the earth and all the way up through to the cosmos. And slow this movement down. Relax your arms, get still, and on the next inhale, take flight. Arms come up and float down. Inhale, get lofty. Exhale. May all spirits take flight. May all be free. Free from suffering, pain, bondage. Mentally, emotionally, and physically. Everything lifts. Try lifting one leg and then touch it down. Shift the weight. Arms come up, leg comes up. Focus on your center, your roots even as you rise. Flying. Slow this down. Get balanced. Get light. Try closing the eyes or fixing the gaze. And get still. Hands back to your heart, feet together. Breathe into your heart of hearts. Bowing in humility to all those that have come before us, all those that are with us, and all those that are to come in the future generations. We're all in this together. May we continue to learn and be humble, open, understanding, and compassionate. Namaste.